What is going, strugglers? Hope you're doing well. So, as you can see, coming off of the previous two videos, I had like one of my worst trading week ever. It was horrendous. I don't know. I just wasn't good mentally, but fortunately today I managed to get some good trades. I think I made like 4%, almost made back all the losses that I had last week. Like honestly, last week I had like 5 losses. It was horrendous. I was just revenge trading. But I'm glad I was able to catch these trades today, so I'm gonna go over them. On the account, I was down 3%. Now I think no 3.5%. Now I'm up 0.5%. So back at break even. It sucks, but it is what it is. I just need to take it slow, man, and respect my rules. Stay disciplined, not overtrade, not revenge trade like I did last week, and hopefully I can bounce back and pass this phase, man. I've been in this phase for so long, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go over these trades. Honestly, pretty simple. As you can see right here on the daily on Nasdaq, I had this daily fair value gap that I had marked up, targeting this low. However, I just didn't really like the candle that we were having. Like honestly, today we didn't have any news. I think no, today we're the 9th. We didn't have any news. I wasn't expecting price to be volatile, and I let this Monday print, and we had this daily candle which formed this daily fair value gap. And looking at the Asia session, as you can see right here, the daily open was right here, right? We have our daily open right here. Notice how we just go up instantly, right? And this is just a sign for me that this is the protraction of the daily candle making the wick and manipulating this high. And honestly, I was still a little bit like, I just wasn't really sure that we were going to have this reversal, because this daily candle has a lot of momentum up. It's not like really a small candle, a consolidating candle. Like it was trending up, and we even had like this 4-hour gap that price respected during Asia session to go up. So I was like, is this maybe the low of day, and we're just gonna trade higher, right? And we even had like this 4-hour gap right here. However, like to be safe, right at market open, I saw this 4-hour candle closure. So the 6 a.m. candle closed just like that, and this was a perfect candle 2 closure to form a swing point right here and to catch this candle right here. However, I genuinely didn't expect price to go as low, to target this low right here, the daily swing low. I wasn't expecting price to move that much and to form this huge wick and to have this whole body. Like I maybe expected price to form this wick and have like a small body for tomorrow for CPI to have the move that we had today, but it just happened today for some reason. So yeah, basically at 10 a.m., as soon as this market, this candle opened, sorry, honestly, like I wasn't even trying to catch the wick of this 4-hour candle. Like I just knew it was going to go lower right here. So usually I would try to time this wick, but honestly, I didn't even want to stick to in front of the charts. I just knew it was going to go lower, so I just entered instantly, put my stop loss above the 50% of this wick, and yeah, just let the trade play out. And honestly, like the trade was done in like maybe 30 minutes right here. And unfortunately, price just ripped lower. Like it was insane. Like even though this was such a perfect trade, like targeting these lows right here, like I could have held it through, man, and target the daily low. I just didn't expect price to move like that today, honestly. Like it was crazy, but still like a good trade. I'm not mad at it. Was able to catch a 1 to 2, but honestly, I just knew that this was such a high probable trade. Like it was just so clean that I also took a trade on gold because we had the same exact narrative, the daily gap right here. This was like a better consolidation candle, but we even had this wick. Like I just wasn't expecting price to go this low today, right? But it just happened so fast, honestly. And as you can see, look at this candle. This candle 2 closure is textbook. It's beautiful, like honestly so beautiful. The same exact idea, just entered instantly, was not trying to catch the wick. Honestly, I could have, but like I didn't want to risk getting stopped out by some dumb candle. I don't know, I just set my stop loss above the 50% and let the trade play it out. Carry 1 to 2, and look at gold, man, it's melting lower. I don't know what's happening, but I could have like held the trade maybe. But honestly, like I'm I'm not even complaining. Like I made 4%, more than enough. Honestly, like especially considering the fact that I had such a bad week last week. So honestly, just targeting it 1 to 2 was enough just to get my confidence back because yeah, it was just really bad last week. But this was the trade, honestly, like so simple, so simple. My last 2 videos where I just went on tilt, like I was trying to explain my trades and like I was just forcing trades left and right. I didn't even know where price was going. Like look at this, just so simple. It took me like maybe 2 or 3 minutes to explain my idea. Just a fair value gap, a daily fair value gap going to the swing low. That's it, man. That's it, with a 4 hour candle 2 closure, catching candle 3. Like this was honestly way too clean, just way too clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm back at break even on the account, and just gonna focus on being disciplined. I'm glad that I'm sitting right here journaling, looking back on my trades and learning from my mistakes. Yeah, that's honestly it for today. I don't even have anything else to say. Just respecting my rules, and hopefully I can hopefully I can catch some other winning trades, but it doesn't matter. Honestly, like I'm trying not to focus on just winning trades and just respecting my rules, staying patient, because these types of trades, they honestly don't happen every day. And if I can simply wait, if I can simply be patient and wait for these simple setups to play out, and even like risk more, I don't even mind risking more on these days, and just avoid all the other days where my setup is just not present. So hopefully I can do that. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.